Hey friends! Do you know there are animals that don't live in groups but prefer to be alone? Today, we're going to meet some of these solitary yet powerful creatures. Let's explore their world of independence. Welcome to Wonder Minds. This is a tiger. Tiger marks its territory by scratching trees or leaving special scents to tell other tigers, "This is my space." This is a cheetah. Female cheetahs live alone, but brothers often form small groups to hunt together and protect their territory. This is a fox. Fox is a clever hunter. It silently pounces on prey alone in the darkness of night. This is a male elephant. Male elephants, once they reach adulthood, leave their family group and live independently. This is a jaguar. Jaguar loves to swim and sometimes even hunts underwater. This is a leopard seal. Leopard seal, the top predator of Antarctica, hunts penguins and other seals all by itself. This is a brown bear. Usually solitary, brown bear gathers with others only when salmon come to spawn in rivers. This is a snow leopard. Snow leopard, known as the ghost of the mountains, is almost impossible to spot alone on snowy peaks. This is a giant panda. Giant panda prefers being alone and spends nearly 12 hours a day just eating bamboo. And this is a lynx. Lynx's large paws act like snowshoes to walk on snow, and the long tufts on its ears help it hear really well. Friends, see how strong and independent these animals are, even when alone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to stay with us. See you next time. Bye!